Good morning students, myself Birpal Kaur. Today I will teach you chapter 2nd, the end of biopolarity for class 12th subject political science. And I have already made one video regarding this chapter in that I have told to you regarding Russian Revolution. In this video we will discuss about Russia's means USSR's condition after the World War II. Students, we know that in 1939 to 1945 it was the time period of World War II, and there were two superpowers, Allied and Axis. In Allied powers, I have already done discussion in a previous chapter also. US, USSR, France, and Britain. These countries were in Allies power, and Axis power Germany, Japan, and Italy. Now our first point is European countries. One more thing I forgot. Sorry, and I want to tell you that Axis power were defeated by Allied powers. That's why European countries which were liberated from the fascist forces by USSR came under it. Fascist forces means fascist is a type of ideology. Fascism is an ideology. I want to tell you in Germany there was rule of Hitler, and in Italy Mussolini. What kind of ideology was following by Germany and Italy, that is known as fascist forces. And now all countries which were liberated from the fascist forces now came under USSR, and apart from that their economic model were also after the USSR, and we are aware about it. USSR was following economic model of communism. According to communism, no private property. Previously we have already done discussion about it also. No private property. Which countries were now under USSR? These countries were known as Second World and Socialist Bloc. And lastly, I want to tell you about Warsaw Pact. Warsaw Pact, it was a military alliance. Because US made NATO, and it was against NATO, and